Hello students, I'm back again with a new video. I welcome you all in the e-learning class of mathematics. I think you all are set. Let's start today's topic. Today in this video, I shall explain you about the sums of exercise 1F. Exercise 1F is purely based on estimation. I think you all are aware of the word estimation, right? Now, what is this estimation? Student, in some instances we are not knowing the exact number or exact count of something. So what we do? We guess an approximate number or an approximate count which is closer to the exact number. This is called estimation. Estimation can be done by rounding of the numbers, either rounding up or by rounding down. So let's understand. Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Exercise 1F. Our question 1 is round off to the nearest 10. Okay. Now let us understand through an example, student. 32 and 37. Okay. Now we have to round these two numbers. Okay. Our question is round off to the nearest 10. So we will take the multiple of 10 which is closer to this number. So it will be 30 and 40. Okay, 32 and 37. The nearest multiple will be 30 and 40. Now in the halfway we have 35, right? So 32 will be this side and 37 will be this side. Now let us talk about 32. Students, now tell me, 32 is closer to 30 or 40? Of course, 32 is closer to 30. So 32 will be rounded to 30. Okay. Now 37. Tell 37 is closer to 30 or 40? Of course, 37 is closer to 40. Okay. That is why 37 will be rounded to 40. Okay. So what is the logic, students? And what about this 35? 35 is always rounded up. Okay. So 5 and above 5 will be rounded to up. Less than 5 will be rounded down. This is the logic, student. Now let us understand the rule. Okay. Suppose this 32. Our question is saying round off to the nearest 10. Means this is ones and this is tens. So this is our rounding place. The tens place is our rounding place according to the question. So what is the process, student? We have to see the previous digit of the rounding place. This is our rounding place. So previous digit means the digit at ones place. We have to see. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, we have to round this number down. Okay. 3 will remain 3 only. No need to change. And this 2 will be replaced by 0. So 32 is rounded to 30. Okay. Now let's see 37. So our rounding place is this. Okay. Now we have to see according to the rule the previous digit. Means the digit at ones place. So our digit at ones place is 7. If 5 or more than 5, then we have to round this number up. That means 1 will be added to this number and it will be 4. And this digit at ones place will be replaced by 0. So understood, student? 37 got rounded to 40. It's simple. 5 or more than 5, then we have to round up. Less than 5, we have to round down. Okay. Now let us start the exercise. Round off to the nearest 10. Our first question. So our rounding place is this. This is ones. This is tens. So this is our rounding place. So according to the rule, we have to see the previous digit, that is digit at ones place. Okay. Now the digit at ones place is less than 5. That means we have to round down. So 4 will be 4 only. No need to change. And the digit at ones place will be 0. Okay. So 42 got rounded to 40. Okay. Now next question. ones tens. So this is our rounding place according to the question. So we have to see the digit at ones place. Okay, the digit at ones place is 6. It is more than 5. So we have to round up. So 6, if we add 1, it will become 7. And this will be replaced by 0. And 3 will be written as it is. So 366 got rounded to 370. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Ones tens. This is our rounding place. So let us see the digit at ones place. So the digit at ones place is 3. Means it is less than 5. So our number will be rounded down. So 9 will be 9 only. No need to change. This will be replaced by 0. And this 4 and 1 will be written as it is. Okay. So 1493 got rounded to 1490. I think this is clear to you, student. Now let us start question number 2. Round off to the nearest 100. The process is same, students, only place will change. Now the question is asking round off to the nearest 100. So ones, tens and 100. This is our rounding place. 100 place is our rounding place according to the question. That means according to the rule, we have to see now the digit at tens place. Okay, for rounding up. So the digit at tens place is more than 5. So we have to round this number up. So 4, if we add 1, it will become 5. And this 2 number will be replaced by 0. So 463 got rounded to 500. Okay. Now let us see the second question. Ones, tens, 100. So this is our rounding place according to the question. So we have to see the previous digit. That means the digit at tens place. Our digit at tens place is 8. It is more than 5. So the number will be rounded up. Means 6 will become 7. We will add 1 to this number. And this number will be replaced by 0. And 2 will be remain as it is 2. Next question. Ones, tens, 100. This is our rounding place. So according to the rule, we will see the digit at tens place. Our digit at tens place is 8. It is more than 5. So we will round up. So 4 will become 5 if we add 1. And these 2 numbers will be replaced by 0. And 8 and 2 will be written as it is. So 28,481 got rounded to 28,500. Okay, students. Our third question, round off to the nearest 1000. Again, same process, only the places changed. Okay, round off to nearest 1000. This ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this is our rounding place right now. So what we will do, student? We have to see the previous digit. That means digit at 100 place. Because our question is round off to nearest 1000. So we have to see the previous digit, that is digit at 100 place. Okay. Now the digit at 100 place is 9. That means it is more than 5. So we will round the number up. So 3 will become 4. We will add 1 to this number. Then rest here it will be replaced by 0, 0 and 0. Okay. Next question. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is our rounding place. According to the rule, we have to see the previous digit, that is digit at 100 place. Our number is 2. It is less than 5. So we will round down. Means 2 will remain 2 only. No change. Then these numbers will be replaced by zeros. Okay. So 2235 got rounded to 2000. Okay. Now last question. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So this is our rounding place. Let us see the digit at 100 place. It is 3. So what will you do, students? This is less than 5. So we will round down. No need to change. 5 will remain 5 only. And this 0, 0 and 0. And this 4 and 2. This will be remain as it is. No need to disturb anything. I think this concept is clear to you, students. I will soon come with a new video. Thank you so much.